First Class V here, back in another GCSS-Army helpful tip and video. So today we're going to be talking about naming or changing the names on your ESR report. I've had a few people reach out to me and ask me how to get rid of all these numbers and clean up my the actual unit's name on the ESR. So without further ado, let's jump into GArmy here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to continue our demand analysis series soon, but I just wanted to get this video out here by request. So the T code we're going to be working in is India Romeo 02, okay? So this is your change work center. So basically you want to make sure you know your plant and your actual work center name. So here where it says OMA customer units, right? So you're able to change your unit name right here. Now, most of us will have like 20 numbers here, the DODAC, and then the actual unit. So I'm just going to rename it for what the unit wants. C68 CSSB, right? You'll hit save, and an easy way to make sure it changes, you can go to your ESR. And when it pulls up, print preview. Here you go, UIC and then HAC 68 CSSB. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.